It finally arrived, my headamame kit. After being stuck 2 weeks in customs, I got the box in the mailbox today. It's a bit dented, so I hope it's not damaged or damaged any contents inside. So let's take a look and open it up. Okay, I'm greeted by this nice message from them. They even wrote my name on it, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what's in this box. Protective paper. Okay, headamame parts kits, experience 50mm. I bought this kit with a 15% discount on Joel Stelling's live stream, the giveaway stream. So it's been a while since I ordered it, so let's see what's in there. I ordered the kit with the extra mic, so you have to order this separately. Well, if you order the kit, you can tick if you want a mic or if you don't want it. You just leave it unboxed. This is the audio jack. Yes. Okay, mini XLR pigtail pins. 2 of them. And some hardware, nuts and bolts. No nuts, just bolts and screws. And then this cool headamame sticker, I guess. Then the business end of the headphone, the audio drivers, 50mm experience drivers, 2 of them. Okay, those are pretty big. Got some heavy, well, they feel heavy. Is that a printed part? Yeah, I think they're already in a 3D printed encasing there, so that's cool. And then we have the ear pads and the headband in this big bag, and it seems like the ear pads took most of the abuse here, so that's good because these are squishy, so they can take some abuse. Yeah, that's about it for the contents of the box. Now it's up to me to start printing the parts and assemble the headphone. The hardest part is choosing which colors I want. But yeah, I'm going to do some more videos about the process, like the printing and assembling, so stay tuned.